welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. It is Saturday evening and we are at the Walmart. So from last few weeks what we have started that either Saturday or Sunday all four of us goes to either Target or Walmart, and then my husband and kids, they get all the snacks they wanted, because when I go for grocery shopping I don't buy those junk, and sometimes you want those junk, right? So instead of me picking snacks for them, I was like, it's better that we all four of us go and you guys get whatever you wanted. So during the weekdays, of course kids most of the time eat healthy because whatever I cook they eat it, but then you want some of those chips and cookies and all that, which I don't buy it. So I was like, it's much better that we go and you guys get whatever you wanted. So they all three of them is shopping somewhere. I'm here in the makeup department, so I'll show you guys around, but let's see what kids buy today. Kids and husband, not only kids, husband is there too. So all three of them is gonna get something. And of course it's not like whatever they buy they're gonna finish in weekend, it's gonna go, it's all depend on what basically they buy. If it's by more quantity, then definitely they're gonna have it toward the weekdays too. But we'll see what they buy. But before that, let me show you the makeup. Because now the Christmas is coming, they got so many new stuff. So let me show it to you. By the way guys, this foundation is really good. It is medium to full coverage. As it say here, it is flawless on skin, doesn't look like heavy at all. I would highly recommend this one. I used to use this before, but me, I change things all the time. But this one is really good foundation, as well as their concealer. These are, especially like if you have a dry under eye, these are really good for that. With the shopping, so before I go and pay for it, let me show you what they got. So here they got some brownie, some crackers. This is the cinnamon roll. Raj is crazy about this. We got some almond milk. Also we got some cottage cheese. Now this one is a high in protein, so I'm okay with this. Also some cookies to make, and here they got some hash browns. So most of them is the junk food, but that said, we are done with the shopping. Now we are going home, and I'm gonna share the lunch recipes with you guys because today I made really yummy lunch. Today is the first day of Navratri, so happy Navratri to all of you. So let's go home and I'll share that recipe with you all. Since it is the first day of Navratri, of course I had to make some special lunch today. So all this recipe, I have never shared that before on my channel. So here I'm making masala paratha, as well as I'm making aloo sabji, and of course आज कुछ मीठा तो बनना ही चाहिए. तो आज मैं बना रही हूँ मावा coconut roll, which is so easy to make. So here in a pan, first of all, I'm taking 1 cup of mawa. When you are making this sweet, you want to make sure the temperature is on low to medium flame. I'm gonna let that saute just for like about a minute or so. And next I'm adding 2 teaspoon ghee. And here I'm adding half a cup powdered sugar. You can use the regular sugar too, but I like to use powdered sugar just because it dissolves quickly. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix all this for about a minute or so. And because we add some sugar in it, it's gonna ooze out some water. So we need to keep stirring it, make sure there is no water left in it. And next I'm adding 1 cup of finely shredded coconut. I'm gonna go ahead and mix all that properly. And here I'm adding chopped cashew as well as the almond. Next I'm adding this powder mixture. Now this powder is made out of almond, cashew, pistachio as well as the saffron. This is the milk powder which I give it to kids every single night. So if you do want to see exactly how I make it, leave the comments below. And here I'm adding just a few drops of rose essence. This is totally optional. If you do like cardamom, go ahead and add that at this point. No one liked that flavor in my house, so for that reason I'm adding rose essence. And just to give some color to the sweet, I'm adding red food coloring. Just a few drops. Go ahead and mix everything properly, and we're gonna let this cool down completely before we start rolling. So the powder mixture which I added in here, that is totally optional. If you don't like the flavor of saffron, you can just add the pistachio in here, because as long as there is some kind of flavor, either the cardamom or the rose, it should be fine. And as you see, this recipe is very easy to make, doesn't take that long to make it either. And just because it's Navratri, I will be making sweet every single day, and of course I'm gonna share the recipe with you all too. And once all the rolls are ready, I'm gonna coat that with the shredded coconut on top. And that's it. Our Mawa coconut rolls are ready. Next, we'll go ahead and make the aloo sabji. So this aloo sabji, we're gonna make it with the skin on. So first of all, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the potato into about, I would say, medium sized cubes. So here I washed potato properly. Now into that adding some salt to taste, just a little bit of asafoetida, haldi powder, dhania jeera powder, and I finely chopped green chilies as well as the ginger. We're gonna let this potato marinate just like that for about 20 minutes or so. Also adding some dhania patta in here. एंड बिलीव मी गाइस, ये सब्जी इतनी टेस्टी बनती है ना, इसको हम प्रेशर कुकर में बनाएंगे तो फटाफट बन जाएगी, बनने में भी कोई टाइम लगता नहीं है। ये बहुत ही यूनिक एक्चुअली रेसिपी है। और इंडिया में जब हम एक मंदिर है वहाँ पे, जब वहाँ पे भंडारा होता था ना, तो वहाँ पे ये सब्जी बनती थी, तो मम्मी हमेशा ये बनाती थी। तो जब तक ये सब्जी मैरिनेट होती है तब तक हम ये जो पराठा है उसका आटा बना लेते हैं। तो here I'm taking 2 cup of regular wheat flour, into that adding some salt to taste, haldi powder, some red chili powder, and also adding this green chilies as well as the ginger in there. Next I'm gonna add some dhania patta in there. Also adding some mint leaves. So this is my mint plant. I actually put it in this container about 2 days ago, and look at the roots of this. I was like, let me just put it in there. Once once it's developed the roots, then I'm gonna transfer that into the pot. But within 2 days, the roots are just out of control now. So I'm just adding just a little bit of mint here. I'm gonna go ahead and mix, but before mixing, yes, we need to add oil. This is optional because we're gonna add some yogurt in there. So if you don't want to add oil in there, you don't have to. But next I'm adding half a cup yogurt. Make sure the yogurt is not sour. And I'm gonna go ahead and mix everything properly, and then if we need the water, then only we'll need add it. Otherwise we don't need to add any water in there. So I add about, I would say, a couple of tablespoons in there. So here, as you can see, the dough is ready. Again, we're gonna let that rest for about 5 minutes or so. And now we're gonna go ahead and make the sabji. So here in the pressure cooker, I do have some oil. I would say I took about 2 tablespoons oil. Into that adding some mustard seed, as well as the just a little bit of asafoetida. Also adding some curry patta here. Next I'm gonna add some red chili powder. Now just remember that we did add the green chilies into the potatoes, so add it according to your taste. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and add this potato in there, mix everything properly. And since I already add salt, I'm not gonna add any salt in here. All the masala is in there. Also adding some water, and we're gonna let this pressure cook for about couple of whistles. And as you see, again, this recipe, it's so simple, but just try and let me know because it comes out so good. It tastes really good. So that's it. While the sabji is cooking, we're gonna go ahead and make the paratha now. So this dough should be chapati atta. You know how soft chapati atta is? Just like that, we need to make this dough. And I'm gonna apply a little oil on my hand, knead this dough one more time, and I'm gonna divide this into equal part. So you can give any shape to this paratha. Either you can roll it into round shape, triangle shape. I'm gonna make it in triangle shape. And this paratha are so soft, even if you eat it next day, they will be still soft as you just freshly made it. एंड ये पराठे के साथ है ना बहुत सारी मेरी मेमोरी जुड़ी हुई है क्योंकि शुरू में जब हम लोग यहाँ पे आए ना तो ये वीकेंड का हमारा ब्रेकफास्ट हुआ करता था। मॉम हमेशा ये पराठे बनाती थी और उसके साथ चाय और अचार। तो बस आज वो ही याद आ गई तो आज ये पराठे मैंने बना दिए। एक्चुअली यहाँ पे मेरे घर में पराठे आपने भी देखा होगा मेरे वीडियोस में कि पराठे बहुत कम बनते हैं। तो मेरे हस्बैंड को इतने पराठे पसंद नहीं है, कभी कभी खाते हैं पर दैट्स नॉट हिज फर्स्ट चॉइस। तो उसी हिसाब से बस रोटी है और बाजरे की रोटी वगैरह वो कुछ ज़्यादा होता है मेरे घर में। पर आज तो बस मैंने भी ये काफ़ी टाइम हो गया ये पराठे खाए नहीं थे। और ये सब्जी भी है ना मम्मी बहुत बनाती थी। कभी होता है ना कि अनएक्सपेक्टेड गेस्ट आ गए तो फटाफट से ये सब्जी बन जाती थी। और जस्ट बिकॉज वी मेक इट इन अ प्रेशर कुकर ना इट डजंट टेस्ट लाइक कि ये प्रेशर कुकर में बनाई हुई सब्जी है। क्योंकि कभी होता है कि प्रेशर कुकर की सब्जी जो होती है ना वो इसमें इतना टेस्ट नहीं होता। पर ये सब्जी तो हमने मैरिनेट पहले की ना तो उस हिसाब से वो बहुत टेस्टी बनती है। फटाफट से हो जाता है, उसमें टाइम कुछ ज़्यादा लगता भी नहीं है क्योंकि 15-20 मिनट बस जो उसको हमें मैरिनेट करना है उसी में टाइम जाता है, अदरवाइज़ कुछ इतना टाइम लगता नहीं है। और बहुत इजी है सब कुछ जो आज बनाया ना बहुत इजी है बनाने में। And I always say that I always try to come up with a recipe which doesn't take that long in the kitchen because we don't want to get stuck in the kitchen for too long. और बस ये स्वीट्स वगैरह जो भी आज मैंने बनाया पहले भगवान को मैं भोग लगाऊंगी। और ये नवरात्रि है तो आई ट्राई कि एवरी सिंगल डे मैं घर पे ही कोई स्वीट्स बनाऊं। कभी होता नहीं होता है कि नहीं मुझे टाइम इतना नहीं मिला कुछ है तो बाहर से भी स्वीट ले लेते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है। पर आई ट्राई टू मेक द स्वीट्स एट होम। So here sabji is ready. At the end I'm adding just a little bit of kasuri methi. Mix everything properly and that's it. Our sabji is all done. So that's it guys, our lunch is ready. So I also made some plain paratha in case if someone wants to eat it. So masala paratha as well as the aloo sabji sweet is ready, and also have some chash as well as the achar to go with it. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Again, happy Navratri to all of you. Take care guys and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.